back to Christine's World Spice. So today what I'm going to be doing is cooking some homemade Salisbury steaks. This is my first time ever making this. I found this recipe on YouTube. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to like it and thumbs it up, and if you can, share this video out. I'm supposed to use a cupful of breadcrumbs, but I don't have that, and I don't want to use crackers or regular bread because I feel like it's a little too slimy. So I'm going to use some easy bake crumbs, and then I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of sauce and 3 tablespoons of garlic powder. And then you want to crack 1 egg into the bowl. And then add 2 teaspoons of black pepper. And add 1 teaspoon of Creole seasoning or soul seasoning or seasoning salt. Also 1 tablespoon of paprika. Then add 2/3 of milk and stir the ingredients up. I unthawed my meat in the microwave because it was frozen, and it pretty much cooked some of it at the top because I forgot about it. But that's why I turned it upside down so you guys don't see that. But now you know. So we're going to season the meat with some garlic powder and some black pepper. And I think I added some paprika too as well. It doesn't matter. You can add whatever you want with it. It doesn't matter. And also some Creole seasoning. So I would say probably about a teaspoon of each seasoning. Now let's add our mix. This mix is supposed to keep the meat together, but also don't dry it out when it's frying and then it gets in the gravy. You will actually think that the gravy will smooth the meat out and make it less chewy. But it doesn't work that way. No. So you got to use this in order to keep it more texturized. So we're going to mix it up really well until you do not see any more of the mixture. And this is what it should look like. If you want to mix it up some more, you're more than welcome to. Now we're going to form our patties. I cooked the patties on each side for 5 minutes, and I flipped them 2 times. So only flip them 2 times because you don't want them completely cooked, because the gravy is going to cook it more when it sits in the gravy. So don't overcook it. You just want that little crisp on both sides. Now we're going to saute our onions. Let's throw them in a heated pan. I do have it on medium high, but on this little burner it's hot. It's on high. And this little burner is not worth anything because I literally had to go in the kitchen and redo the gravy because it did not come out at all. It didn't come out good at all. So I had to redo the gravy because it was not brown gravy. If you're new on making gravy, I can do a video on how to make homemade gravy. I also got some homemade gravies on my other videos. If you ever see any kind of fried chicken or fried steak, you'll see some homemade gravy on there as well. Because this really doesn't show much. What you will need to do is also get a cast iron skillet. Works better, but you want to put at least a cupful of flour in the pan without any oil, and just keep whisking it with your fork with the owl on high until your flour completely turns brown, and then you want to gradually add some water. See this shit right here? It's not gravy. I don't know what this is. So we had to just cancel this. We're not keeping this gravy. Let's fast forward to the gravy that I have now. I didn't do it on camera, but this is what it looks like now. And here it is. So if you have lumps in your gravy, don't worry about it, because no matter what, if you have heat to it and you whisk your gravy up, it will automatically just dissolve in your gravy and you won't have any lumps. But in my case, because I didn't do it on the stove, I put it in the oven. It still had lumps inside of it, but hey, it is what it is. It's some good gravy. So I'm going to put it in the oven. And I'm not going to cover it up because I don't want it to get too soggy and fall apart. So I'm going to put it in the oven on the second rack on 400 degrees for 20 minutes. And this is what it looks like after 20 minutes. So overall, it still came out good for my first time. I know what I made a mistake on, and that's using the beef cubes. Next time I will use the beef sauce because I feel like it would taste better. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like it and comment. Thank you for watching.